welcome to Visual Arts. I am your teacher, Jessica Russo-Scher. You can call me Miss Russo for short, and I'm here to explain all the basic things that you will need to get along in my class. There are 4 main places where you'll find everything you need. They are the art site, which is a Google site that has everything related to your curriculum. There's the Google Calendar, which has all the things that we're doing in class, as well as the due dates. There's PowerSchool that has all of the links to those other things and has your grades and feedback. Then there is Google Classroom, and this is where I will communicate with you specifically. And if you have digital things that you're submitting, like your process portfolio, that's where it will go.
Have your sketchbook and your laptop for each class.
If you miss a class, it's really important for you to follow up on Google Calendar to see what you missed and what you need to possibly see me about or catch up on as soon as you can. Visual Arts is graded in a 1 through 7 scale, 7 being what you're aiming for, but it's really about your development throughout the process. And that's what I want you to focus on, is just how can you improve your skills? How can you improve your creativity? How can you make things that you're proud of? That's the goal. Our formative assessments are graded with these symbols. And basically you're aiming for the slash mark. It's kind of like a check mark, like check mark, you did it. That's what you're aiming for. The plus is like you went above and beyond. That's exceeding expectations. The minus is you missed something there. Maybe you misunderstood something or could have put a little bit more work into it or missed one of the criterias. And the O is either you completely missed the boat or you didn't submit it at all. And that's a placeholder. Anytime you would like to resubmit something for a better grade, go for it, because my goal for you is to improve. And you do that by revising your work and submitting it again whenever you like. If you have any questions or concerns as we do this process, just let me know. Grade 7 will teach us a little bit about how meaning can be derived in art. Those techniques will teach us how to create something that looks realistic and what are the components that make it look realistic. Once we learn those, we can slowly lead them to abstraction. We'll start off working with something a little bit more tangible like form and learning how to slowly abstract it throughout the semester.
Your learning will be documented in your process portfolio.
Your process portfolio is going to be the one document that will track everything that you've done in this class. It'll be the place that I will look to do your final assessments. I will see your work as you're creating it in the classroom, but this will be the last place that I will look before I enter a grade. And the grade is based on everything that I see during the classroom, as well as what's submitted on the process portfolio. And it encompasses the assessment criteria that's written on our infographics. I hope you have an amazing time in my classroom. And if you ever need anything, come see me.